Make a great choice today with the 2016 CC. Volkswagen CC. It's what's on the outside that counts and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.